Welcome in part B of our lecture number 14, Annual Training Planner or Annual Training Calendar. First we will go to discuss the legend or the key. Tentative schedule means you can plan training or number of trainings throughout the year which are not yet confirmed but you have to. Light color indicate tentative schedule for institutional training. Color code for confirmed trainings means training schedule and all arrangement, for example availability of trainer and so on are confirmed. Dark blue color indicate the week in which the training is scheduled. You may also write the respective date within this blue box. And once the training has been completed successfully, you may change the blue color box into green color, which means training completed and closed. I am Syed Muhammad Ali and you are watching my YouTube channel AIMSAT. Kindly press subscribe button and also lightly press the bell icon so that you can get my every new video. You may change the legend as per your organization need. For example, you may add institutional training. For example, your company's CEO, director and team of senior executive visits to attend the business exhibition, meeting with your principals. You may record this event attempt as part of learning and training. Always describe the plan number and plan date, revised plan number and revised date. For example, once you have circulated annual training planner with tentative dates and you have to confirm that trainings in next coming quarter are confirmed, you will be recirculating revised plan with revised date. Training planner or the training calendar may be specific to your need and you may have more than one training planner, or if you have a ERP system, you may incorporate all specific needs under respective headings. For example, in this planner, training topic planned are specific to the compliance or the quality management system activities of your company or the quality management system related trainings of your company. Under other heads or using other planner, you may plan all engineering related trainings.